The GG house, located in a prime location surrounded by lush vegetation in a gated community, masterfully integrates with its natural surroundings. The natural slope of the terrain allows the house to sit atop a hill, concealing the service area below ground. This design cleverly accommodates 3 levels while maintaining the appearance of 2 overlapping volumes, seamlessly blending with the landscape. To preserve as many existing trees as possible, the ground floor is set back, situating the house's structure among the trees. This not only enhances the main entrance, surrounded by greenery, but also emphasizes the natural slopes of the terrain. The front facade, composed of 2 concrete volumes, presents an enclosed image, while the back of the house opens completely. Transparency was a key focus during the design process, achieved through floor-to-ceiling windows along the perimeter, fostering a direct connection between the interior and exterior. This design ensures that even indoors, one feels connected to the surrounding nature. The living room, kitchen, family room, and gym feature sliding doors, allowing the entire house to open up and transform into a vast terrace. The ground floor is designed with a free plan organization, featuring pockets of program that act as buffers between different areas. The open space is fragmented by wooden volumes, which divide the spaces and facilitate easy flow. The sauna, winery, and main staircase serve as functional divisions, while maintaining connectivity across the level. These areas, unified by their wooden materiality, contribute both to the house's organization and its aesthetic appeal. The upper level houses the TV room, master bedroom, and 2 suites. A long walkway, serving as a distribution hall, is illuminated by a continuous top window. All bedrooms boast floor-to-ceiling glass windows, flooding the rooms with natural light and framing the picturesque views of the site. Structurally, the house is complex, featuring thin floor slabs on each cantilever. The reinforced concrete slabs on the eaves lend a light appearance, concealing the beams within the walls. The use of concrete for the slabs, beams, and walls creates a cohesive materiality, resolving the structural challenges without sacrificing the design's light and airy aesthetic.